This is a 34 sheet of matte vinyl sticker paper I was sent to review from Agodio. So let's test it out and see how it does. The user guide and troubleshooting are all on the back. It feels really nice. Do note on the packaging where it says front side, so that'll help you as you're taking it out, load it into the printer the correct way. For best results, it suggests selecting photo paper in your printer settings and letting it dry for at least 30 seconds before handling it or cutting it out. And they're a super budget-friendly way, not just to have fun with stickers, but to label all your school supplies, write their name out in different sizes and shapes. For example, when you have to label every marker and pencil and tissue box and all these things, like you need different sizes or whatever. So this is a really budget-friendly way to do it yourself. Oh my gosh, how fun is that? So this is the matte finish. There are 34 sheets of this, but it also includes one bonus glossy and one bonus translucent. Totally smudge proof once they are dry, like so nice. They're also waterproof, so these are gonna last a long time.